Joe here with Pop's Auto Electric. Today we're working on a 1999 Chevy Bette. Alright, out with the old and in with the new. Starting this nice 1999 Chevy radio. Won't be gone. The antenna is not working. Replacing it with a new one. And let me show you here. Oh, we got to change the center console because that's not going to fit our new radio. New console. We moved down the AC unit about a half an inch to fit the double DIN navigation Bluetooth receiver that we have here. I'm going to get the camera to show over here, and this is 7.5 inch. It's going to have the Bluetooth backup camera, all the media. You're going to be able to scan through all of your music channels, etc. Plus it's going to link to your phone, to your Apple CarPlay or your Windows Microsoft CarLink. Now behind the radio, this is our new receiver look like. That's our control. This is all of our RCA inputs and the antenna input. We are going to need an antenna adapter because obviously that's too small for that big a hole. This is the connector to the radio, and over here we're going to attach a Metra kit that is going to allow me to run this nice new device through the factory Bose system with the factory amplifier and all the factory speakers, and it's going to sound really, really nice. We also have our backup camera input with the reverse light input, so the radio knows when you are in reverse. Alright folks, don't forget to click subscribe, hit like, and it's 407-857-8579. This is exactly why you should let me do the stereo on your Corvette. I wouldn't try to do it myself if I couldn't. Hey! Listen to me. You don't want to mess up your Corvette. Let me do it. No, I'm not going to mess up your Corvette. But I'll fix it right. We'll do the stereo correctly. Thank you.